In this video, I want to show you how to utilize the support that is built into Schoology for just in time if you have a question about how to use this new tool. There's two places you can go. One is this blue circle at the bottom right-hand corner of Schoology. This will take you to a help center. And so the help center has a lot of articles that are already printed out with tutorials built in. So let's say as a student, I want to know, how do I submit an assignment? Click return and there'll be some search results. How do students submit assignments? You can pop open the search and it'll open up into a new bar. Many of these have lots of different responses because there are lots of different ways to do similar things within this tool. So keep searching for the right question to find some supports there, okay? Another resource that you have is to click on this word support. When you click on support, you can click on SRVUSD support and get help there by sending an email. You can submit a request to the Schoology Help Desk, which provides feedback to Schoology on how to best create this tool for working families and students. My favorite, though, is this live chat. If you click on live chat, then in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see I have been in the live chat already today. And somebody will pop in right away, and then you can ask questions right there in the live chat, and you get support, and this whole support of what you need will be there in the live chat. There's also a phone number and help center. So I hope this helps with a couple of ways to get support just in time as we're learning this new learning management system.